It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, twin-turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, external memory control, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver remarks consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,